is soft and slow. Golden light begins to glow over waters calm and wide. Silent shores on either side. The Grote Hegge wakes below, reflections dancing in the light. Nature stirring with the dawn as the fading night is gone. Fly with me across the blue, where every morning feels brand new. Above the Grote Hegge free, where land and water gently meet. Fly with me, don't let it fade. In the hush the day is made. Above the Grote Hegge free, come and watch it wake with me. Through the mist a heron flies, silent wings beneath the skies. Then another, pure and white, glides across the morning light. Water mirrors clouds above, nature waking soft and slow. Nothing here but peace and air, morning beauty everywhere. Fly with me across the blue and watch the morning coming through. Above the Grote Hegge